If your Chevy's cruise control suddenly stops working, you're not alone. Let's break down what's going on, and how you can get back on the road. First, check the basics. Is your check engine light on? A warning light can disable cruise control, so scan for error codes with an OBD2 reader if you see one. Next, look at the brake lights. If your brake lights are stuck on, or not working at all, a faulty brake light switch could be the culprit. This small part tells your car when you're braking, and if it's broken, cruise control won't kick in. Now inspect your fuses. Find the fuse box in your Chevy Colorado and look for fuses related to the cruise control system and brakes. If any are blown, replace them with the same amperage. Also, double-check your cruise control settings. Make sure you're driving over 25 miles per hour and that your foot's off the brake pedal. Cruise won't engage if you're moving too slow or pressing the brake. Still stuck? The issue could be with the control buttons on the steering wheel, a wiring issue, or even a faulty speed sensor. If basic steps don't do the trick, it's time to see a trusted mechanic. Remember, never try to fix major electrical issues yourself. Safety first. Hit the road with confidence, knowing what to check if your Chevy Colorado cruise control isn't working.